Welcome to Zubee's Organic Kitchen, where I share healthy recipes, tips, and the inspirations we all need to take charge of our health. Today, I'm going to share with you how I make my super easy, super nutritious chickpea salad. Keep watching. Hi guys, if you're new to this channel, please take the time to hit the subscribe button for me. Let's get cooking. Let's look at our ingredients. Basically, all I'm going to do with this recipe is just dump all the ingredients in one bowl and mix it up. How easy could that get? If you notice, I kind of cut the onions a little smaller. I am not a fan of raw onions, but some people love it. Go ahead and put as much as you want in there. And with the sweet pepper, what I did was, instead of just the green pepper, I like to see a lot of colors, so I did half and half, the green and the yellow. You could put in whichever one you want. And then pepper. I happen to have a lot of pepper, but put it anyhow you want. Although the recipe calls for half of the lemon, I like to have a lot of lemon in my salad, so I'm going to put 1 lemon. You can put as much as you want, it really doesn't matter. Basically, all I'm going to do is just mix it up. I love this salad. Yet easy to make chickpea salad. Okay, this recipe is packed with vitamins, minerals, very high in protein, and has a lot of fiber to it. It doesn't take a lot to eat healthy, and just look in your pantry. I'm sure you have a lot of healthy stuff in there that you could just throw together. Actually, usually that comes out even better. The meals that you didn't really plan, and you look in there, whatever is there, you put it together and you keep it as easy as you can. All right, somebody asked me yesterday on YouTube whether my meals are keto. No, my meals are not keto. I'm more plant-based, and my sister does keto and it works very well for her. To me, it's just a little too restricted. I try to stay with high fiber, high protein, plant-based diet. All right, keto is an amazing diet, but just not for me. My fasting and my aloe veras work for me together with my plant-based diet. All right, so like I always say, stay healthy, stay safe, stay positive, and stay happy. Until next time, have a great day.